Doing a PhD is typically the last step of formal education. Have you just completed your PhD? Or are you about to do so? And now you ask yourself whether you should do a postdoc or not. Then watch this video. My name is Dr. Fabian Muttach. I hold a PhD in biochemistry, and on this channel I will answer career questions specifically for natural science students and recent graduates who intend to leave academia. And if you don't want to miss any new content, subscribe to this channel right now. I promise you, you will get a lot of valuable information here for your start in industry. If you are a natural science student and you have specific questions for your career start, write them below in the comments section and I will answer your questions. Something I see very often. After finishing the PhD, the contract or scholarship ends, time is pressing, and then graduates decide to do a postdoc. Not because they are really into science, but just because it seems to be the easiest option. You can basically continue what you have done the past years, and you can stay in your comfort zone. However, without a clear plan what you want to achieve by doing a postdoc, you will be in the same situation at the end of that postdoc. Your postdoc ends, and then again you don't know what to do and how to start a successful career. The first question is, do you need to do a postdoc for an industry position? And the answer is in more than 19% of the cases simply no. For most industry positions, for almost all industry positions as a natural scientist, a postdoc does not help you. There are rare cases where large pharma companies ask for a postdoc for certain research positions. However, given the entire job market, I would say these are exceptions rather than the rule. Okay, doing a postdoc is not necessary for most industry positions. The question now is, can a postdoc even be harmful to your future industry career? And the answer is definitely yes. Doing one short postdoc of, for example, 1 to 2 years is probably not a problem. However, if you do multiple postdocs in a row, you are on the best path to becoming a so-called permadoc, an eternal postdoc. Doing a very long postdoc, or even several different postdocs, doesn't make it impossible to start a successful career in industry afterwards. But it makes it more unlikely, and it makes it more difficult. Companies will question your motivation to transition into industry after having spent so many years in academia. And you will compete with recent graduates who are much younger than you are and who, at least from the company's perspective, seem to be more flexible. That's why my recommendation is, don't do an academic postdoc at all if you intend to move to industry. If you want to become a university professor, there is no way around a postdoc. However, if you know that you aim for a career in industry, then don't do a postdoc at all. It will not help you to achieve your goals, so in a way, it would be a waste of time. If you know that you want to transition from academia to industry, latest after you have finished your PhD, look for a job in industry. Do not postpone it, even though looking for industry jobs may sometimes be painful. And to end this video with, there's also some good news. Once you manage the transition to industry, changing positions will become much easier. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. And if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. And I hope to see you in the next video. Yours, Dr. Fabian Muttach.